How to use Monster Jobs portal. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can use Monster Jobs portal, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you want to actually use Monster Jobs portal, all you have to do is simply open up your browser, go to monster.com and then log into your account. Then assuming you've already created and logged in on your account, if you want to use Monster, so right off the bat you can search for some type of jobs, or it will give you some recommendations. And if there's a certain job that intrigues you, then you can tap on the quick apply section over here, and once you've done that, you'll be able to go ahead and then basically make sure to apply for that certain job from your account. Right now, aside from that, if you want to customize your own profile, you can tap the three lines option there and go to profile section to maybe upload your resume and do all of those other things that the Monster job actually prefers for you. And this way you will be able to start using your Monster Jobs portal by simply searching and applying for jobs. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.